Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and log in, sign into your Ticketmaster account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you want to simply go ahead and sign into your Ticketmaster account, simply go to your phone's browser, simply go to the search bar and type in ticketmaster.com, and then you will simply be able to land on this kind of interface right there. So if you simply just go ahead and log into your account, what you gotta do is simply tap on this account icon given, simply tap on it. Then as you can see, once you tap in there, it will simply load and land on this kind of interface. So if you want to simply go ahead and sign in, if you already have an account, simply tap add in your email address that is connected with the account that you created, and add in your password, and make sure to add a correct password right there. And then if you are simply confused about your password, simply tap on this forgot password given right there, so you can go ahead and reset your password if in case you have forgotten and add in over there. Otherwise you can simply, once you're done with your information right there, simply tap on the sign in option and you will simply be able to get signed into your account there in your ticketmaster.com. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.